In a buzzing town, a beekeeping club founder noticed dwindling hives and launched a tiny sensor project. They built smart hives that monitor temperature, humidity, and bee activity, turning passion into data-driven care. Investors noticed the practical impact, and grants fueled production of affordable kits sold worldwide, empowering backyard keepers and farmers alike. The company forged partnerships with universities, trained locals, and helped boost pollination, crop yields, and urban biodiversity. From a humble hive to a global pollinator tech firm, the founder rewrote how humans harmonize with nature through science.